Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at incoming calls on all of my iPhone collection, ranging from iPhone 3 to iPhone 12 Pro. Now this iPhone 3 has a SIM failure, so when I started this video, it suddenly has a no SIM failure, so I couldn't show an incoming call, but I still can show you the ringtone. I'm trying to charge up this one right now. It's still charging, so hopefully by the end of this video I can get this one up and running. If not, you still can hear the ringtone sound. So let's get started with this one. So this is the iPhone 3, as you can see here. They're quite small, 16 gig on this one, and this is the default ringtone. Okay, for the iPhone 4, the opening is the default. Next is the iPhone 4S. Now they have the same ringtone sound. Opening is the default sound on the iPhone 4S. You can tell it is a 4S by the line right here. So this is the iPhone 4S. Okay, this is the iPhone 5C, but it is a bit buggy. It would not make any sound when I have an incoming call. But this is the sound here if I go into settings, and again it's very similar to iPhone 5 and iPhone 5S. So ringtone. This is the iPhone 5S here. So I'm just waiting for the SIM to pick up the signal. This is the iPhone 6, so you can see a larger screen for the iPhone 6. Okay, this is the iPhone 6 Plus. Again, the sound are very similar to other model. Now this is the iPhone 6s. Look at the S right there. Just recall again and increase the volume to maximum. You have the same opening sound. Okay, here is the iPhone SE. So it's different. Now I have just set it back to the default opening ringtone sound. For the iPhone 7 Plus. for iPhone 8. And this is for the iPhone XS. Now you can see until all the way up to iPhone 10, the sound always the same with opening. With this one here, there is a reflection sound. So let's have a listen to it. So I have this on silent. So I have to try again because of the multiple call pickup. This is on the iPhone 11 Pro. So I'm just going to turn on this one. For iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, finally the iPhone 12 Pro. And so that is the whole lot that I've got. All incoming calls. Still I couldn't get the iPhone 3 working. I'll probably need to work on this one or replace it or fix it. But yeah, that is all the incoming call. As you can see, there's not much changes over time, all the way from iPhone 3 to iPhone 12 Pro. The default ringtones gone from marimba to opening, and then opening all the way down to iPhone 10. You got reflection as a default ringtones, and I don't think it will change quite a lot in the future as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.